Hi everyone, so this is how you're going to complete your Sudoku, okay? If you do not know how to play Sudoku, that's fine, do not worry about it, okay? What I really want you to concentrate on is just completing all of these 10 problems, okay? I'm gonna show you how to fill in the couple numbers that you're gonna need, okay? So for number 1, I'm gonna set this up better for you. So this is gonna be set up as x to the 4th plus 0x cubed minus 4x squared minus 9x minus 15, okay? And then you're just gonna come to the side and solve it. So I'm gonna set it up over here. I'm gonna have a -2, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just gonna put my coefficients down with my placeholder because I was missing the x cubed term, okay? I'm gonna do this quick because you should know how to solve these, okay? My 1 is gonna drop down. I'm going to multiply -2 times 1, which gives me -2. 0 and -2 is -2. -2 times -2 is 4. -4 plus 4 is 0. -2 times 0 is 0. -9 plus 0 is -9. -2 times -9 is a positive 18. And 18 minus 15 is 3. Okay? Then all you're going to do from there is write it in. So in my initial problem, I started with an x to the 4th. So I need to drop down 1 and start with x cubed. Okay? Now, this whole problem is talking about remainders. This whole Sudoku puzzle is all about remainders. So once you've completed the division, okay, and you've gotten the remainder, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the F, where that little box right here that says F1, and you're just going to put a 3 next to it, okay? Then, from there, you're going to go back to your chart, and at F1, because that's what it says here, where we put in a little 3, right? So at F1, you're going to go to box F, then down to 1, and put a 3 in that box. Okay, so that's how you're going to complete this. You do not have to complete the Sudoku puzzle for the extra credit. You just need to complete these 10 problems. Okay, make sure they are all in the correct order. This one is in the correct order. This one is. Now notice that there's a little -1 here. All that means is that this is the fraction. Okay, so do not let that confuse you. That's on number 10 too. This just means that this is all over x plus 8. Okay, so do not worry about your negative numbers. Number 9 needs to be put in the correct order. Okay, so you should have x to the 4th minus 3x cubed minus 47x squared plus 37 minus 21. That's how it's written correctly. Okay, number 8 is good. Number 7, you're missing your x squared term, so you need to put in a 0 for a placeholder. Okay, number 6 is good. Number 5 is good, and number 4 is good. Okay, so that's how you're going to complete those. If you do not know how to do Sudoku, that's fine. Do not worry about it. You just need to know that whenever you get whatever you get as your remainder, you're going to here. So I think number 2, I forget what it was, but whatever you get your remainder, you're going to come to C7. So C7, and you're going to put your remainder in that box. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.